Hey folks, this is Basant here and welcome back in this channel. Today's video I'm going to talk about a tool with the help of you can manage your online business, clients, CRM and the finance in the one single platform. This is the Heffl and you can see this is the really good feature have for the CRM where you can manage your leads, your goals and integrations available with the WhatsApp, so you can directly check out the messages the customers are sending to you in this single platform. Then it has the project management software, time tracking, task management. You can offer your services in this single platform as well. If I talk about its user interface, it's actually pretty good. They have managed to bundle up all the features in this single screen and I am really amazed that the way we can interact with the features in the most efficient and understanding method. Here you can see we have this home section and I can just show you the steps that we need to set up our account. This is the checklist they are offering for the CRM, the sales and the project. You have to follow that and by one you are just setting up your account here. Then if I go to the inbox section, here's the good part. It's just combine the WhatsApp, LinkedIn and the personal messages into the one platform. So whether you are getting the your contact or the messaging from the client or the customers on any of the platform from the WhatsApp, LinkedIn or the email, you can manage them here. Okay, and because it has the integration available with the connect your mail, that you can just connect with the Zoho mail or the Gmail or the Outlook, you can just send the proposals, you can send out your whatever the stuff or the updates available for the client, you can directly send it out. Okay, now if I go to this CRM or the app store, here you can see basically this is the mini app store you will find here on the Heffl platform. Like for the CRM, this is all the features available. For the sales, this is all the features. This is for the purchase, this is for your finance and the bookkeeping, this is for the projects, this is for the files, forms, automation. It has also the automation available that I like it. So if I click here on the new automation, you can see I can just set up automation on these things like the task, lead, contact, the clients, the files, the tasks, all this stuff. Okay, so I am really surprised with that. So the platform, if I am going to show you right now, this is really worth it. And if I compare its lifetime deal with the pricing that they have for the monthly or the yearly subscription charges, it is starting from the $17 a month when you go for the yearly, but if you go for the monthly, it's the $20 per month. But here's the best part, its lifetime deals available on the app Sumo starting from the $49. You don't have to pay the monthly $20 every month. Just pay the $49 one time cost this is, and you will get the lifetime access. So we have the multiple tier plans available and every tier plan can give you the more users access. So what I suggest, go with at least the tier 2 plan, because here on the automation dashboard, templates, voice logs, pipelines, we are getting the unlimited access here with the 5 users limits. And if you want more users, you have to go for the tier 3 or the tier 4. So if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. Now let me give you the detailed features demo and the tutorial how you can get starting on the Heffl. So this is the platform. Once you got the lifetime deal, you have to go to the home section or you will land in the home section. Here it will show you the some of the checklist for the CRM, sales and the project. Following that, you are going to configure and set up your account. Like first it will ask you to connect your email. Simply click here and it will open up the prompt or the screen where you can connect your Zoho mail, Outlook or the Gmail with the single click. Then it will ask you to create your first lead, the first deal. The same goes for the sales and the project. So I'm going to show you the one by one how you are going to create that by showing up all these features on the left side that you can access. And let me tell you what is the really best thing I like it here on its dashboard. So if you are on the home screen, you can see we have the multiple things showing up on the home screen here, but here's the get part. Okay, I can just set up or the change this Outlook. Simply click here on the widget and we have the more widgets available that I can add on the main home screen to easily show or check out. For example, I want to see the my activity for the so account. So I have selected that. Simply click here on the add widget and now this activity widget will be showing up here. I can drag and drop whenever I want to put it, I can just simply put it, simply click here on the save changes, and now your dashboard is the way you want to see it, or you want to check it the your priority data on the main screen. So this is the really good part here. Okay, then we have also this message video available that will help you to walk through the platform, but don't worry, this video is cover all this stuff, so you don't need to watch it. Simply close or hide it. Okay, now this is the inbox section. In the inbox we have the connectivity with the WhatsApp, so directly without opening the WhatsApp within the Heffl platform, I can just check out or monitor the messages on the WhatsApp, or I can even send out. You have to simply click here on the WhatsApp connectivity, and it is going to open up this one, and now it will ask you to follow these steps, and you are simply connected with your WhatsApp account. Okay, we have also the LinkedIn connectivity available, so not only I am just getting, I am the managing my chats or the conversation on the WhatsApp, I can also do the same for the LinkedIn. Again, simply click here on the connect LinkedIn, it will let you to connect with the platform. Okay, then the next feature is the task. If you have the recently just added the services or the team members, or you want to show them the task that you are going to offer or the work done, then you can just add them here in the task section. Simply go to task, and after that you can see it is all the information available, includes the team members, assignees. Okay, this is the assigned, all, calendar, the completed. Okay, so simply go to the task section, and here click on the task. Now you can add the new task you want to add. Simply I will go with the SEO research. Okay, now I can just add to the assignee the attendees. Due date I can add. Okay, so for example, this is the due date. The priority you can set, this is for the urgent, or if you have any reminders for your team members, you can add it here, or you can set up the reminder. Simply click here on the create task, and your new task will be the added here. So let me click close one. You can see this is the task we have just recently added. Now this is for the customers, so you can manually add the customers. Simply click here on the add your customer, and here you have to add the details, or you can also import the customers data from here with a file here. Okay, so this is how you can do that. This is for the contacts, basically for the leads information you are going to add, and this is the notification you have from your team members or your client. Okay, now this is the app section, and here we have the multiple things that we can just manage or monitor. For example, this is the dedicated CRM section for the leads, deals, the goals, the clients information, the contact dashboard, and all the information you are going to enter here will be the connected and the integrated with from one section to another. For example, I have added the deal or the lead information. I can also check out their more detailed information on the sales if there's any sales going on. Okay, for example, the customer I have added, what's the quotation I can send out, what's the invoice I can send out, what's the payment link I can send out. Okay, so that's how. This is for the approval if your team have something done for you and want the approval from them. Okay, then this is for the purchases. So this is the next app here. Okay, same goes for the bookkeeping, same goes for the projects, files, forms, automation. The good part, we have the automations available. Suppose I want to just set up a alert every time a client pays the invoice, I got a alert. So you can just enable this sales alert automation, or if you want to create a new automation, simply click here on the new, and this time I want a automation based on the client. Whenever a client on board, I got a alert. So this is the automation name I can add it. So client alert, I can add the description. Click here on the add automation. Now we have the trigger and the steps. So in the trigger, whenever I want this automation starts, simply I have to go to the new, or I have to go to client. Yeah, you can see the new client. Whenever a new client will be the added, I got a message on my WhatsApp or the Telegram. Okay, or I can also get the email. So simply click here on the WhatsApp. Okay, or I can also set up this automation in a way whenever a new client is just added in the my dashboard, a message on the WhatsApp will be sent to that client. I can also set up that way. Okay, so this is a trigger action send message. Okay, Then here you can add the country code of mobile number, and this is the message that will be sent to the client. So that way you all can also do the automation. This is for the reports, for the dedicated informations on the all the stuff, how many the CRM information available, the sales you got, the finance, the projects, everything. And here's the best part, even with that you want the dedicated and the separate things to monitor. For example, you want to just instantly check out the leads, so you have to go to the lead section, and here you will find out you can create more this kind of this separated or the diversified folders for you. So right now this is the only one I have created, but if I click here on the plus, I have the more things I can create. For example, this is for the clients, I can add it name like the clients, simply add list, and now this will be the added here. Okay, so that's how this thing works. So this platform has everything you need to manage your projects, the clients, the deals, the leads information, everything you can manage on the single platform. And you don't have to pay the monthly, yearly prices or the subscription charges, because it's lifetime deals available that you can start from the $49 for you. So that's all for today's video. If I hope you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated. Make sure you also check out the description, because there you will find out this lifetime deal. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.